7 Sigma. Offgrid.
So we're on the road, get ready to go up to the spot, and the hubby is getting gas.
My business.
He don't want me in his business. Even though he cleans the windows, he tries to. They're usually still dirty. And you guys know that, because when we're filming, the windows are dirty AF. He knows I'm talking about him. We're at Laos again. It's my husband's favorite store. Yes, it is. All right, we got one more stop to make, and that is to go get some what? Ice.
You can't say ice no more.
Why?
Ice is a bad word these days.
Not ice is a bad word.
Ice, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so we finally made it up here, getting ready to get our weekend started. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple of weeks back, I was talking about how I had like this major change in my life. And basically that was...
She's pregnant.
I look like it, but I'm not. That would be crazy if I was.
We'll be some old parents.
We would be old parents. Well, he would be an old parent. I wouldn't be an old parent because I'm not old. He's an old man.
You old too. If I'm old, you old.
He just wants me to be old like him. I'm not old like him.
I'm not no PDF, so you old.
Not PDF. Okay, so I had a change in my life, and that was a job change. I had gotten laid off. I had a routine. We had a routine. I was working hybrid. I was comfortable.
Might make some noise. Hold on.
He's always messing up mine.
Sorry.
Always messing up my spiel.
Why you rambling? I got stuff to do. Ramble on.
But I need you to.
I'm coming back.
Anyway, I was comfortable. I was working hybrid. We had a routine. What we were doing on the weekdays. Anyway, all of that uprooted.
And you telling people the truth.
What's the truth?
You was sitting at home eating bonbons.
I was not
She was
sitting.
getting paid. She was chilling, going shopping, doing a few hours of work, and then go shopping again.
That's not
true. She
true.
was chilling.
Y'all don't listen to that. That's not how I move. That's not true.
You was chilling.
I was not doing that. Anyway, fast forward to 2026, bringing in a new year, I ended up getting a new job. It took me 2.5 to 3 hours sitting in traffic to get to and fro to work. And that was wearing on my mental state. So, yeah, needless to say, Needless to say, I'm no longer there. But I say all that to say, a lot of you guys ask us often, when are you guys gonna move up here? When are you guys gonna move up here? We're gonna move up here when we can afford to move up here. That is really the transparent answer. Right now, we cannot do that because we both have to work, unfortunately.
We're financing all of this.
Yeah.
By working in the city.
Yeah.
There's no income up here. It's beautiful up here, but ain't no money up here.
There's no money up here. No moolah. We have to finance everything and make sure our land is set.
What am I looking for? Never mind, I'm sorry. I found it. I'm getting old.
You are getting old. Basically, that is the reason why we're not up here full time. Everything costs money, unfortunately. So that's what we're doing.
And there's a strategy to it. We mentioned it before.
What's the strategy?
While we're relatively old, young, just be trying to eat me. Just maximizing our income potential while we can and just pay for as much stuff up here as possible.
Yeah.
And then when it's time to come up here, we ain't got to worry about that.
While we're relatively young, we are still trying to bust our hind parts as much as we can. While we have working hips and backs and knees, while we can do things now, we're trying to capitalize off of to the most of our ability so that when we retire, things will be easy for us. So that's why. So if you're new,
It's for the new people. The old people already know. The OGs already know what it is.
But for people who are new and haven't seen this video, we are going to refer them to this video. So that's that. And moving on to this weekend, it was supposed to rain this weekend, but that has moved to
Monday.
Yeah, it moves to Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, with the chance of snow on Thursday.
Up here. So we're getting another front in, another atmospheric river front.
Not atmospheric river.
Another storm front or whatever you want to call it.
Storm.
Where it just rains every single day for the next 4 to 5 days. Rara's going to try to finish. Are you working on the driveway this weekend? And we're going to try to secure our greenhouse as much as possible. Y'all saw what happened last video. We had a snafu because of the wind. So we're going to try to get as much done on the greenhouse as much as possible, right?
I hear nothing. I just heard. What you say?
Okay, so y'all probably didn't hear that either because he was just back there.
Flashy.
We're going to try to secure our greenhouse and get as much done on the greenhouse
Oh,
as much as possible because we're trying to prepare because it's windy. And if there's a storm, it's way windy, windier rather.
Not windier.
Way windy, windier, whatever. More windy, however you want to say it.
It's windy.
It's windy. So yeah, we don't want our greenhouse to just come tumbling down altogether. Yeah.
And I want to get all of this down yonder.
Yes, we're going to hopefully we get all of our rock, the small rock right there, on top of the road base that he did last week. But yeah, that's what we are trying to accomplish this weekend. And
we don't try, we do.
Okay, that's what we do this weekend. That's what we do. That's what we're going to do this weekend. That's what we're going to do. And one of the things that we also realize too is the reason why we need jobs.
I don't need jobs. We need income.
Income can come from anywhere. It could be a job. It can be on the pole. It can be whatever you want it to be.
On the pole. It can be entrepreneurial.
It could be entrepreneurial.
You can sell drugs.
Don't sell drugs. Don't sell drugs, guys.
That's bad.
Don't listen to him. He's a bad influence.
I don't sell drugs. What are you talking about?
You got people selling drugs, getting on the pole just to make some money. You ain't said nothing legal.
Okay, look, buy Bitcoin. It's too late to buy gold and silver. You missed that run. Well, buy Bitcoin, buy some crypto, and invest in anything AI. Data centers, buy some land that they might want to put some data centers on. That's it. Other than that, you gotta sell drugs. You gotta sell drugs and dance on a pole.
Don't sell drugs and do not dance on the pole. A lot of this stuff takes money, and we have seen a lot of people try to start homesteads, and unfortunately they fail, or
they have to pack it up.
They have to pause, or whatever the case may be, because of the finances. People tend to think that homesteading is
I'll wait on that.
Easy and free, and it is not.
Very expensive.
It's very expensive. And granted, we do some things that are a little bit more expensive because we're bougie.
And we're older.
And yeah, there's some things that
we can afford to be a little bit bougie.
Yeah, and we're not going to compromise on. But I will say that it costs money. That's just the real
the bottom line of it.
The
land costs money. The stuff you need, the setting it up costs money.
Yeah.
The equipment you need costs money. Everything costs money.
Unless you're just going to thug it out. And some people just thug it out.
Some people just thug it out.
You know, some people, that's their thing, and they're like, I'm not doing all that.
And they camp out and they do their thing.
Yeah, and if that's what you want to do,
that's gangster too.
Have at it.
We ain't doing that though.
We're not doing that.
We're too old for that.
Yeah.
Bougie.
That's the other reason why we have to make income by any means necessary. So
why you gotta make it sound all desperate by any means necessary?
By any means.
You said I can't sell drugs. So make up your mind. Is it by any means necessary or not? Can I sell drugs or not?
Okay, it's by any means necessary. It's minus you selling dope, poles, or SEX.
Come on, let me get my pimp on.
We're not doing none of that.
I'm Pimp Rock or Pimp Rock.
He's Pimp Rock because he needs money for the rock. So we have to finance our cost of living up here. And homesteading does have a cost of living.
Yep.
Now, I will say this. There is a caveat to that because there's a startup to it. So a lot of people are starting up. That costs. However, once you get things up and running, if you have chicken and cows and growing out their own food and they have a nice garden, their food is taken care of. And if you're on solar, your lights are taken care of. If you already have an infrastructure, that stuff is taken care of. So that cuts your costs down significantly. We started on raw land and we have a lot of raw cost.
And we don't know what we're doing, so we spend a lot of extra money just in ignorance.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, even though you like to do stuff
the hard way
by yourself, a lot of our mistakes are cost.
I ain't trying to hire everybody all the time. I mess with Cliff and Ramon. Those are my peoples.
Yeah, Cliff and Ramon helps us out
and
quite a bit.
When we drill the well, I'm going to have to mess with the well drillers and the septic drillers.
And that cost. So Mama got to go to work. Papa got to go to work. We got to work. Sorry. We can't live up here full time. Not right now.
It's coming, but not right now.
Yeah.
We're going to do it right.
I am tired.
My poor baby been going through it.
I have been going through it.
She can't chill at the table no more eating bonbons and watching The View. She don't watch The View. Don't know why you watch The View.
And I don't eat bonbons. But anyway, I'll figure it out. I'm working on something.
You got some good prospects.
Yeah, I'm working on something. So yeah. But anyway, guys.
Whatever you do, need to hurry up because we need some more rock. We're about to run out of this weekend. We need more rock. So
Well, we can, you know what we can do? We can invite all the people in the valley that we see. We can invite all of them to come on up here. I can swing on that pole that Cliff has made, our gate pole.
That's
We can
actually a good idea.
invite them for a cookout.
And I'll do some pull-ups butt naked on the pull-up bar. We can get the women to throw some money in. Come on, we just get both of them. You get the dudes, I get the chicks.
No, well,
Man, come on,
we
y'all.
do got two.
That's what I'm saying. We got 2 poles. I'll do pull-ups and you dance on other poles.
He's gonna be my partner, so we're gonna get on the pole. We're gonna invite y'all.
Work this. We're about to get this rock money. We need another 300 feet of gravel, so we're about to do that.
Yeah, we do need to do that. Y'all do not want to see big belly people on
Yeah,
the
they
pole.
do. There's some ladies out there want to see it, and some men out there want to see it.
Oh gosh,
It's called big belly fetishes.
Big belly.
Big belly fetishes and man boobs fetish. There's some chicks who want to see some man
Who
boobs.
might have fetishes for big bellies and
man boobs.
and whatnot. But anyway,
It's about to get started.
and
Y'all tune in on Saturday.
get started. But tune in on Saturday. We just wanted to bring you guys in on our conversations while we're out here just lollygagging around and getting prepared. Come and visit us on Saturdays on our YouTube channel. And again, if you like all of our shenanigans, all of our craziness, please comment, like, and subscribe. And we will see you guys on Saturday so you can see all the things that we're doing. Talk to you later. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.